My name is Imoru, and I believe that you can do much more. Now, I love Shakespeare because he was the man who single-handedly repackaged the old ancient story for a new audience, and he became popular for it, and he was highly paid for it. Now, how can you do this in your business? Let's look at WhatsApp content marketing strategy. How do you use WhatsApp to actually market your content? You know, there are content marketing everywhere, and content marketing is a way to go today if you will have the right audience and convert this audience to leads that will pay you for whatever you are offering. Now, if you are on WhatsApp, what are the kind of content you should give out on WhatsApp that people will respond to? That there are few kind of content that people respond to on WhatsApp all the time, and you see them share it with no effort at all. Now, one of those content, number one, is what I call fun content. If your content are fun, if they have loads of fun in it, then they rest assured that your WhatsApp audience will resonate with that kind of content. Now, if you have fun content like funny stuff like comedies and all that, how do you use that for business? You must find a way to chip in the value you are offering in your business in that fun video or that fun clip. Use it. Use memos and nice ones, funny ones to actually send your business message to your audience. The second kind of content that will resonate with is how to. Now, if you are going to show them how to secure your social media platform, how to secure your phone from theft, any how to content whatsoever, people on the WhatsApp platform will resonate to it, and they will share it to their loved ones and to their friends and to their colleagues, just to say, okay, see how this thing is being done. So you need to understand the kind of how to you will share that will benefit your business. So two content we've spoken about. The first one is fun content. The second one is how-to content. Now, the third one is what I call the update, product reviews, and product information content. If you are going to explain details about a product, put it on WhatsApp. They are going to share it. They will love it. Now, if you are going to update them on what is going on in the society, put it on WhatsApp. They will love it. If you are going to review a product, now saying nice things about the product and also say what you do not like about the product, they will love it. So WhatsApp is the best place for you to actually review your product and share it with your audience, and your audience will love you for it. Now, you want to do content marketing with WhatsApp. Your content marketing strategy should be based on fun. It should be based on how-to content. It should be based on what I call update and reviews. If you do this, you will get their attention. Not just get their attention, you will get them to share your content, and possibly your content will go viral. So content marketing on WhatsApp, remember Shakespeare, the man that repackaged the old and make it look like new and make the new audience to love the old story. You can be that person that will dominate WhatsApp because you know how to blend the old with the new. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you're new so that you get more of our valuable content. And please hit the notification bell so that you will get more of content like this that will help you grow your business using WhatsApp and other tools. My name is Imoru, and I believe that you can do much more.